This is our apartment. It's big. Huge, 2 beds. And what a mess. And all the way here, and a mirror. And the kitchen. I am the kitchen and the bathroom. It's a cute bathroom. This is air conditioned. Hi, Ning. And nice tub. And closet. Oh, nothing is in here. Oh, we don't want to put anything anymore, Hala, because we're going to be leaving there tomorrow. That's the closet. And here's the bunch. Here's the bunch. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi. And Mimi. Hi, Mimi. And hello. Oh, mas kisaan. Ate Jing. Hi. Rinny. Rin. Hi, Rin. Hi, Nak. Uy, naka-peace sign pa. Wala, empty.
Halina, magkaulit ha.
Kain na tayo. Malaki. Pati ka na akong ikuhaan.
Tayo, Jejapin.
Mga gwapo. Gwapo, taro, gwapo.
Ay, doon ka kayo sa ano?
May kaano si Mimi?
You have to push the ring back off.
Yes, I did. I just did. Ay, hindi. Sali ako eh.
Pusin mo yan. Ay, nasa ng mga bayabas mo. Mga bayabas mo na sa look kayo mga bayabas. Iwanan ka talaga rito ha. Hindi magkatawa ka na.
Ako?
Hindi, ayaw mo. Pahirap mo kayo sa uwi, pahirap mo kayo sa uwi. Pahirap mo rin kayo.
Oh, grabe naman na sumami makasalita.
Awa, hindi ka pahirap?
Ayokong pahiram.
Gusto niya, narinig niyo?
Gusto ko aking lahat.
No, gusto niya siya lang isa.
Hindi. Makikishare din ako sa kanila. Oh, no more battery. I wanna get everybody. Nag-warning na siya, may. Reynard, Richard, Marde, si Ate. Hey, yun para si Mimi. Kala ko yung si Mimi, oh.
Hello, hello, love.
Hello. Good morning. This is day 3 or day 4?
Day 4, I
What day
think.
is today?
It's gonna be,
Wednesday?
it's gonna be Thursday. No, Thursday.
Wednesday. We're going to go shopping at that street market. Good buys.
Okay, that's all.
That's all.
All right. I'll take a picture of the whole place.
Get my pretty white shoes.
I will. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Where did you buy that, love?
Famous drug.
Huh?
You imported from USA.
Okay.
From California.
Nang, look, Nang. Look.
Panty.
Hi, Nang. Nang, look, Nang.
Panty, pamanisay?
Wala lagi siya blurred. Oh, sorry na, sorry. Sige, sorry.
This is yours.
I got you again, love.
Tagalog dictionary.
Okay, I'm gonna go get Mimi. Mimi. And I said, hi, Mimi. Say hello. Say hello. Biya kong i-focus si Mimi. Focus na. There you go. Look me, look. Hello. That's our kitchen. There's our cupboard and our burner and our little refrigerator and our waste basket. And this is my tree pie and my Ate Jing. Hi, Ate Jing.